Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error code that is 0xfffffffe. So if you're receiving this error with the game, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now before trying any troubleshooting steps, first of all install Modern Warfare 3 multiplayer. Now for this you can go to Xbox app, make a right click on the game, go to manage and then click on add-ons over here. Now once you go to add-ons, make sure that you select all Modern Warfare 3. So if you see Modern Warfare 3 multiplayer, so make sure that you put a check on Modern Warfare 3 multiplayer. This has worked for many players. So check everything that says Modern Warfare 3 and then hit apply changes and install it, and then you can launch the game. You can do the same thing in Call of Duty HQ launcher. So when you launch the launcher, now you can just find the game in the list. Now once you find the game, click on the game. You have to install the game and then you have to install. In your case it will be already installed, so you can install. In my case I have not installed, so install this Modern Warfare 3 multiplayer. So install it and then check. Now for many players installing DMZ has also worked, so you can even try to install DMZ and then check. Still not working, then please follow the rest of the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to launch the game from the game installation folder. So whichever game is giving you the problem, so try to launch that game from the game installation folder. This is just an example, so I'll show you with different games. So just an example. So on the Xbox app, on the left hand side you will see the list of the games. So make a right click on the game which is giving you trouble, make a right click and then you can click on manage and then go to files and then click on browse. When you click on browse, this will take you to the game installation folder. Whichever game is giving you the trouble, you can open the game folder and open the content folder and then find the game exe file. So you will find the game exe file somewhere over here. If you find the game exe file, make a right click on the game and then you can click on, just make a double click over here and try to launch the game from here. So just make a double click, launch it from here. If that does not work, you can even try game launcher helper. You can use this. So let me try this. Yeah, so you will see game launcher helper or you will see the game exe file. This is just an example. I'm showing you a different game. So make a double click and try to launch the game from the game installation folder. If that does not work, run gaming services repair tool. Now for this you can go to Xbox app. At the top left here you can see a profile icon, click on it and then go to support option and then click on gaming services repair tool and then click on start repairing, click on yes to allow. This process will take some time, and once this is complete you can close this, launch the game and then check. If that does not work, you can go to Google, you can type in gaming services repair tool, then click on gaming services repair tool for PC. This will take you to Microsoft website and then scroll down, you will see downloadable version, click on it and then scroll down and then click on download the gaming services repair tool for PC and you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow and let the process complete. This process will take some time, and once this is done you can try to launch the game and then check. If that does not work, the next step is to unplug all the external devices from the computer. So if you have any USB adapter which you are not using connected to the computer, disconnected. Disconnect extra controller connected to the computer. Sometimes we have extra controller connected, disconnected. Disconnect multiple monitor. Try launching the game on single monitor. If you have any third-party application or services running, close it. Close all the overlay apps. So you can turn off the overlay app. So if you have Discord running, you can go to Discord settings and turn off overlay. If you're using NVIDIA app, then in that case you can go to NVIDIA app settings and then if NVIDIA overlay is on, you can turn this off and then check. Or you can just turn off all the overlay application. You can close all the overlay application or you can turn off overlay in all the overlay application. Also close all the overclocking application, like if you have MSI Afterburner running or if Riva Tuner running, you can close all the overclocking applications. Sometimes MSI Afterburner or Riva Tuner is hidden. So for example, it's hidden somewhere. So you have to so you can click on this up arrow and then you can just make a right click on this MSI Afterburner, close it. Riva Tuner running, you can close it. So close all the overclocking application. Only closing will not do. You have to set overclocking to default. So first of all, you have to turn off the overclocking. You have to set it to default, and then you can close all the overclocking application and then check. Perform clean boot. Now for this, you can type in system configuration in Windows search box, and then click on system configuration. Go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services, and then click on disable all. Make sure that you put a check over here first and then click on disable all, and then hit apply, click on OK, and then you will see a restart option, restart your computer, and then check. If that does not work, close all the online storage application. Like if you have OneDrive or Google Drive open, you can close it. Also, if you have undervolted your computer, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Next step is to restart your computer. Simply restart your computer once, and after the system restart, you can launch the game. Next step is to perform a clean installation of your graphics card driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. So to perform a clean installation, go to NVIDIA website and then select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card and then select the right operating system. So if you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10, and then click on Find. And once you click on Find, you will see this page. Now here you will find the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Now click on View, and then once you click on View, you will see the download option. Click on Download and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, run the exe file. Now once you run the exe file, you will see this screen. Click on Agree and Continue, and then select Custom option over here. By default Express would be selected. Select Custom and then click on Next, and then you will see this screen. Now put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure you put a check on perform a clean installation and then click on Next and let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game. Now AMD card users, first of all, uninstall the current graphic card driver, then go to AMD, restart your computer, and then go to AMD website, select your graphic card, update the latest graphic card driver, again restart your computer, and then launch the game. Next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box, and then click on graphics settings over here, and then click on add Microsoft Store app. So click on it and you will see the game in the list. So whichever game is giving you the trouble, you can select that game. This is just an example. Once you select the game, scroll down and find the game in the list. Let me check. Yeah, once you find the game in the list, now click on the game, and then over here you can see GPU preference. I'm showing you a different game. This is just an example. GPU preference, set it to high performance, and you will see a graphic card over here. Select high performance, and then you can launch the game. Next step is to repair and verify the game. So go to Xbox app. Again, make a right click on the game which is giving you the trouble. This is just an example. Make a right click on the game and then select manage, and then go to files, and then you will see verify and repair option. Click on verify and repair. Read this. If you agree, then click on yes and let the repair complete. A repair will take some time, and once the repair is complete, you can launch the game and then check. Next step is to create desktop shortcut and launch the game as an administrator using the desktop shortcut. So go to Xbox app and then make a right click on the game, whichever game is giving you trouble. So make sure that you select the right game and then select manage, and over here under general tab you will see create desktop shortcut. Click on it, and once you do this, now you can go to desktop. You will see the game shortcut over here. Make a right click and then click on run as administrator, so you can launch the game as an administrator. Now if that does not work, the next step is to repair or reset the game. So go to Windows settings, go to apps, go to install apps or apps in feature in Windows 10, and then find the game in the list. So whichever game is giving you the trouble, you can just find the game in the list. This is just an example. You have to select your game. I'm showing you with different game. So once you find the game, you can click on the game. In front of it, you will see three dots. Click on it and then go to advanced options, and then you will see the repair option. Click on repair, and once the repair is complete, you can launch the game and then check. If that does not work, you can click on reset, read this, and then if you agree, click on reset. And once you hit reset, when you go to Xbox app, instead of play option for the game, you might see install option. In that case, you can close Xbox app, and then you can open Xbox app once again, and then you can launch the game from here, and you should be able to see the play button, and then you can launch the game. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website here, you can see Visual Studio files. You have to download this x86 and x64. You have to install both the files. So download this x86, click on it, and you can run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. You might see repair also. If you see repair, click on repair. Click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file, and again you can run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, and let the repair complete or let the installation complete. Once both are installed, make sure both are installed. Once installed, you have to restart your computer. Restart is a must after this, and after the system restart, you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to update the system BIOS. So go to your system manufacturer website, select your model number, and then install the latest BIOS. In case of laptop, make sure battery on your computer is more than 10% and the AC adapter is connected to the computer. During the BIOS update, your system will restart. Do not unplug the power cable when it's updating the system BIOS. After the BIOS update, log into the computer and then launch the game. Next step is to increase the virtual memory. So to increase the virtual memory, type in View Advanced System Settings in Windows search box, and then click on View Advanced System Settings, and then click on the first settings, and then go to Advanced tab, and then click on Change over here, and then select the drive. So uncheck the box which says automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Uncheck this box and select the drive where the game is installed. So select the drive, and then once you select the right drive, now put a check on custom size, and for initial size it's 1.5 into total RAM. So you can check the total RAM in Windows settings. You can go to system and then go to about, and total RAM in my case is 16 GB. So you can calculate accordingly. In my case it's 16 GB, so I will calculate as per 16 GB. So, and first of all we have to convert 16 GB into megabyte. So we will open calculator. So type in calculator in run box and then click on OK, and over here it's 16 1.5 into total RAM. Total RAM in my case it's 16 RAM 16 GB. So 16 into 1024 is actually 1 GB is equal to 1024 megabyte. So 16 GB in megabyte will be 16384 into 1.5 into total RAM. This is my total RAM in megabyte. Now 1.5 into total RAM, that is into 1.5. So in my case initial size is 24576, and maximum size is 3 into total RAM. Now total RAM in my case, that is 16 GB. I have 16 GB of RAM. So 16 into 1024, I have converted this in megabyte. Now that is 3 into total RAM. So total RAM is this much into 3, that is 49152. 49152. Now click on set over here, then click on OK, apply, OK. Now restart computer. Make sure that you restart your computer after this. Now the next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache file. Now for this you can go to this location. Now open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive, Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open app data folder. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items. Then you should be able to see app data. Open app data folder. Open the local folder. Now find packages folder. Open the packages folder. And then you have to scroll down and find a Microsoft Windows Store. So Microsoft. So over here you can see this Microsoft dot Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder, and then over here you will see local cache folder. Make a right click and you can delete it. Now you can open Xbox app. You have to relaunch Xbox app in Microsoft Store, and then you can check. Still not working. Next step is to log in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. Now for this, open Microsoft Store on your computer. At the top left here you can see a profile icon. Click on it, and then you might be already logged in. So if you're already logged in, you can log out from here. So in my case, I was not logged in. So go to store. Once you go to the store, at the top right you will see a profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out, and then click on sign in. It will select the right account which has the game pass, and then it will be asking for PIN or password. Login. Now go to Xbox app. At the top left you will see a profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out, and then click on sign in. Again, sign in over here. Select the same account which you have selected on Microsoft Store. You have to select the same account which has the game or game pass, and then once you are logged in over here, now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. Then make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer, so that you can open Windows settings, go to time and language, and then go to date and time, and make sure if these two are off, in that case you can turn it off. Make sure set time zone automatically is on over here. Make sure set time automatically is also on over here, and click on sync now. Sync now is important, so click on sync now. If you see errors in red, click on sync now multiple times. Once you have a tick over here, now you can check. You can go to time and language once again, go to language and region, and make sure your country, right country is selected over here, and then you can launch the game. Next step is to install all updates in Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. At the top bottom left here you can see download option. Click on download, and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, click on check update and then update all. Once everything is updated over here, now you can check. Next step is to update Windows. This is important. So open Windows settings, go to Windows update or update and security, and then click on check for update. Click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, once this is installed 100%, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can launch the game. Next step is to run ws reset command. So type in ws reset in Windows search box and then click on ws reset. This will open Microsoft Store, and once it is open, now you can check. Still not working. Repair or reset Xbox app or store. So type in Xbox app in Windows search box, make a right click on Xbox app, and then click on app settings. Now scroll down, you will see the repair option. Click on repair. After the repair you can launch the game and then check. If that does not work, you can even perform reset. So let the repair complete and then check. If that does not work, you can click on reset. But when you click on reset, make sure that you read this. If you agree, click on reset, and after the reset you can open Xbox app once again, and then you can launch the game and then check. Now you can do the same thing with store. So type in Microsoft Store on your Windows search box, make a right click and then click on app settings. Scroll down and then click on repair. After the repair you can check. If that does not work, you can perform reset. So after repair you can check. If that does not work, reset, read this. If you agree, click on reset, and after the reset you can open store once again, and then you can make sure that even Xbox app is open, and then you can launch the game and then check. Now the next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. So open this, copy this command, and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell, and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you always open PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and during this process, if you see errors in red color right like this, just ignore it. This will take some time, and once this is complete, once everything is red now, then you can close this and then you can launch the game. Next step is to start all these services. So for this, you can type in services in Windows search box and then click on services, and then find IP helper in the list. Make a double click on IP helper, set this to automatic, click on apply, and then click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on start or restart. Now find Xbox services. So at the bottom, when you scroll down at the bottom, you will see 4 Xbox services in my case. So start all the Xbox services. Make a double click, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click, click on start or restart. Again, make a double click on this second Xbox services, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, then click on start or restart. Again, do the same thing with the third Xbox services, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on restart or start. Again, do the same thing over here. Make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start, click on OK. With this selected, click on restart or start. Now find gaming services in the list. Gaming services. So here you can see gaming services. Make sure gaming services are running. If not running, make a right click, click on restart or start. Make a right click, click on start or restart. Now, if the gaming services is already running, in that case, you can stop it. Make a right click and then stop it, and then you can restart it once again. So make a right click and then click on restart. Restart or start. Restart or start. And then find Windows Update in the list. So scroll down here, you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, start or restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service. Let this complete first. Now once this is done, you have to find Microsoft Store install service. Yes. So find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set this to automatic again, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on start or restart. And once this is done, now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. To uninstall gaming services, copy the first command. This command is provided in the video description. And then type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and then click on Windows PowerShell. And then again, make sure that you open this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, and then hit the enter key. Now this will uninstall gaming services. Now copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Copy this, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will open Microsoft Store on your computer, and then you will see get option or install option to install gaming services. Click on it, and then click on yes to allow, and let the process complete. This will take some time, and once this is installed, now you can check. Still not working, then install Xbox Identity Provider. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, if Xbox, and now click on download option first, and then it will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So click on open Microsoft Store. If it is not installed, you will see install button. In my case, it is already installed. That's why it says install and it's grayed out. So if not installed, you will see install button. Install it, and then you can check. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drives. So if you can go to system in Windows settings, and then go to storage, and then scroll down, click on advanced storage settings. So first of all, uninstall the game. So whichever game is giving you the trouble, you have to uninstall the game first. So this is just an example. I'm showing you with different games. So make a right click on the game which is giving you the trouble, and then you can uninstall the game. Now after you uninstall the game, then go to Windows settings, and then you can go to system, then go to storage, and then click on where new content is saved. And over here, if the game, if you're trying to install the game to different drive like D drive or E drive, try select C drive, and then you hit apply. In front of you will see apply button, apply it, and then you can install. You have to reinstall the game. Now if the game is installing to different drive, like if the game is already installing to C drive, then if you have any external drive, you can connect external drive. You can select D drive or E drive, and then hit apply, and then you can install the game, reinstall the game, and then check. So try to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drive, and then check. Next step is to, if nothing is working, you can update your Windows using media creation tool.
If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now, and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now, and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop, and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish, and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now, and here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to launch this game successfully from Xbox app or Microsoft Store. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.